My name's Meghan Emberson. I graduated from plumbing college 7 years ago from the Mechanical Techniques program, and I currently am a project manager working at Vandermeer Plumbing in Peterborough. I was born in kind of a mechanical family. My grandfather owned a manufacturing business in the plumbing trade, so I kind of grew up around plumbing fittings and fixtures and things and always asking questions. And then I got away from it. I was actually a makeup artist for a few years, and then I was installing a faucet for one of my friend's moms, and she was like, "Why don't you just do this? You seem to love it." And I never thought of that at all. So then I just called Fleming and took the program, and then once I graduated, I met Steve, my current boss, and he hired me off the spot, and I'm happy working hard ever since. The biggest thing for me was I never thought it was even like an option for me as a career path. And then once I just went for it, I absolutely love it, and I think any woman that even thinks about trades as a career path should give it a try. And I know like some of our customers, like we do a lot of work at retirement homes, and they really appreciate a woman in their unit helping them out. So my fellow colleague, Danielle, I met her at Fleming College. I was actually teaching a program, a lecture there in the plumbing techniques program, and I met Danielle and we hit it off right away, and she was just a hardworking woman, wanted a job in the plumbing field, and then once she finished the program, she was looking for a position, and we hired her here as an apprentice, and it's really nice to see another woman kind of pushing hard for the trades.
Seeing Meghan in the position that she has and having come so far, and even seeing her from when I started in school and had her teach me, and seeing her here, how she works, makes me really optimistic for what I can do with myself in the future. Plumbing's an excellent trade. I would encourage women to join up. There's no boundaries. We're just as capable as anybody else, and there's a need for tradespeople, and there's a need for women to have good work, and plumbing is an excellent trade to be in.